Yeah, hi. So let's again start with the CloudFoxable. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the another challenge that is called It's Secret under as Enrichment Principle. So if you open this particular challenge, by default, the status is open. It means whenever you declare your Terraform correct in the cloud or in the AWS cloud, so this particular challenge will be open and the cost is around like 0.1 cent. So it doesn't impact it that much. But let's start with this particular challenge. So before starting, what exactly you need to do, right? If you have already solved the earlier challenge, that's fine. You can definitely go ahead and use this challenge to exploit it. So what exactly we need to do? First, let's check from which user you are logged in. So in the last video, I've just explained like how or in which profile we have used. So at the moment, I'm just running the command called AWS STS get-caller identity and with the CloudFoxable profile. So once you run it, what exactly it will show you? It will show you the detail like from which user exactly you are logged in at the moment. So let's wait for this particular output. Okay, so we get the output. So now you can see we are logged in with CTF-starting-user. Now we need to check what all policy is assigned to this particular user. So we have the command called AWS IAM listed-attached user policy, and for the specific username we are just checking. Just hit enter with CloudFoxable profile and let's wait to get the response. So yeah, here you can see that around 3 policies has been attached to my user. So because we are going through this, it's a secret challenge, so I think this policy should be applicable for this challenge. Let's dig more into it to get the details about this particular challenge. So we have this command called AWS IAM correct get-hyphen policy we are using, and just put the policy ARN number here correct and hit the enter with your CloudFoxable profile. Okay, so yeah, we got the details here. So if you see that this is the policy detail and it is okay, the default version is like a P1, and if you read details, so here they have mentioned that the policy is used to access the it's a secret flag. So fine, let's do the more thing done here. Now let's check more detail with respect to the version info. So because it is assigned for version 1, let me just check out the version 1 information here. So if you read this command, yeah, it will show you the user, or we can say this particular policy has the permission for SSM get parameter. So let's run this command to extract the detail of the SSM related parameters. So if you run this particular command correct with the name here as a value, whatever you want to extract with respect to the resource, this is resource name. So if you run it in the value section, you will get like an encrypted value. So what you need to do is, because we want a decrypted format, so we can just use the amount command with a decryption flag. So that let's run it with a decryption flag, and once you run this command, let's wait for this thing. Yeah, so here we got this flag. Now this flag you can use it to complete the challenge. Fine. So thanks for the video.